Hey, how's it going? It's Jared from Marigold Library System. For today's craft, we're going to be making a cereal box aquarium. So let's get started. To make your cereal box aquarium, you're going to need a cereal box, some popsicle sticks, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, a string, ideally blue or clear, shells, which you can get at the dollar store, lots of construction paper. You'll need ideally brown, blue, and black, plus a variety of colors. A hot glue gun, a knife or a pair of scissors. If you're using the knife, make sure that you have parental supervision. A Sharpie, a pen, and some tape. To start off, make sure that the lid of your cereal box is closed. So you can use your glue gun and glue it shut. Make sure you have lots of glue on there. Next, you're going to trace lines on one side of your box, and then you're going to cut out the center. Next, you're going to cover your cereal box in construction paper. So you're going to use your black construction paper for the outside of the top and the bottom. You're going to use your brown construction paper for the inside of the bottom. And you're going to use the blue construction paper for everything else. Once you're done with your construction paper, you're going to flip it up and you're going to cut 3 slits on the top with your knife. Next, we're going to add seashells to the bottom of our tank. Once you finish gluing down your seashells, you're going to go ahead and take your pipe cleaner and glue it to the back of your aquarium, and this is going to act as your seaweed. Once you've finished with your seaweed, you're going to go ahead and grab your construction paper, and you're going to cut out shapes of fish, and you're going to use your googly eyes to create the eyes of the fish. Once you've finished all your fish, it's time to move on to the next step. For your next step, you're going to go ahead and take your popsicle sticks, and you're going to cut them into pieces. And if they aren't cutting, what I like to do is just keep trying for a little bit, and you'll see that they have little incisions. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your thumb there, you're going to bend it, and it should have a clean break. Once you've finished cutting up your popsicle sticks, you can use a knife to make little cuts in the popsicle sticks. These cuts will help hold the string in place. For your next step, cut your string at a variety of lengths and tie them to your popsicle sticks. Once you finish tying your strings to your popsicle sticks, you can pull the strings through the slits on the top of your aquarium. And then you can glue your fish to the strings. Once you've put all your fish into your cereal box aquarium, you're done. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and check out marigoldprograms.ca for more programs, challenges, and activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.